Right now we have a bird in the kitchen eating out of Buddy's bowl. It was stuck up there, and now it's in here. Buddy, what is that? Okay, so I'm going to open the door. Hopefully it'll fly out. Okay, go get it, bud. Go get the bird. Go get the bird. Buddy, go get the bird. Come on. Go out. Go that way. Buddy. Go that way. Go outside. Oh, shit. Outside. Outside. Get him outside, bud. He likes your food. Shh. Shoo. That way. That way. That way. No, no, not in there. Ah! Buddy, get the bird. God dang it. Come on. Buddy, get the bird. Outside. Buddy, get the bird. Shh. Shh. Go out that way. Go that way. I know you're scared. You got food in your mouth. Go that way. Go. Oh shit. That's in the living room. Nope. This way. Buddy, don't you see the damn bird? Come on. Over here. Come on. Go out. Oh my God, really, go outside. Good. And there we go. Good boy. Good baby. That's a good baby. That's my good baby. Got the bird. He's a hunting dog. Huh. Huh, that's my hunting dog. Good boy.